Okay.
Okay, really? Ready? I mean, 3, 2, 1, go.
Here we go. So I'm going to introduce you a new verb for rebar3 AtomVM plugin called escriptize. And the reason I'm using my laptop is I'm going to make a live demo. Here we go. So I guess you all know about escriptize. So I'm creating a script like this. I go here. Then I go rebar3 escriptize. And if I look at the binary, it's only 1.3 kilobytes, because obviously there's nothing there, just a few small scripts. I can file on it, so like this, and I can call it like this, and it works. Okay, so this is the escriptize that everyone knows. Now, what we can do is we can, well, I'm just installing the latest version of the binaries, and I need to add this to add the AtomVM rebar3 plugin to the rebar config. I also need to add some configuration to say this is the start, and eventually there's a small difference in the script like this. I'm going to show you here. Basically, we want to return 0 instead of hello halt, because AtomVM doesn't have 0, the hello halt, and then eventually I can do rebar3 AtomVM escriptize. And so what do we have here? The file is 1.8 megabytes. And what is it? Wow, it's an executable binary. And hello world.
Nice.
So I do have a slide, actually. So how does it work? The thing is, the application is packed as an AtomVM pack AVM, and then it's bundled with the regular AtomVM library, the standard libraries. And all this is added as a Maco or ELF sections, because I didn't mention it. It works on both Mac and Linux. I only did the demo on Mac, but it also works on Linux. On Mac, it was much faster. On Linux, I struggle a little bit. But anyway, so it's added at the Mac or alt section. And then AtomVM, when it runs, it just checks if the thing exists. And if it does, it's executed. The current limitations, it's not cross-platform, obviously. So if you build a binary like this, you can send it to another Mac, but I cannot send it to, let's say, a Linux machine or FreeBSD or whatever. Right now, Mbit, TLS, and zlib are not statically linked into AtomVM. So if we fix this, eventually the binary is going to work everywhere. You also have the AtomVM standard libraries, which by design are limited, smaller, but you can embed actually the real OTP beams if you need larger modules. You don't have JIT yet on this, and there is no Elixir or Gleam support yet. And if you want to try it yourself, you need these 3 PRs just here, open. I think I coded this last weekend.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, since you have still another minute, I will ask you a question. Because in eScripts, one of the things is that NIFs don't work. If you have a NIF and you want to use it through an eScript, it doesn't work. Does this work? Will it work in here?
Yeah, good question. So if you want NIF, you need to, currently with AtomVM, the NIFs need to be linked, statically linked into AtomVM. But if you statically link the NIF with AtomVM, you have some option. You don't need to use the standard AtomVM binary. You can use the binary you have with your NIFs, and then you can bundle it with your NIF as well.
Excellent. Thank you very much.